This is the video just
Like that?
no, now you going with your hand. The video camera is on the other side.
Where? There? There?
Other side. Oh. Okay. And you have to hold it like this. Not this. This.
How? This? Do you want commentary? We're now seeing Mr. Nanashko. He's being gay. Don't know what to say about this. And now I breathe so much through my hoodie that I can't see anything. Here comes the gayest gay lord. He's doing slowly. Okay? If you stay around the 5 years old in the park, maybe. Grown man of 30 years, gay. Well, all I can say about this is GaY. So we're gonna now conduct an interview. Is there a voice on this one? So how does it feel to be 100% gay?
Very exhausting.
Are you getting old?
Look at that fucking bird.
Now he's trying to
This is a
point
big bird.
the attention away from himself.
Did you see the bird like that? Can you film the bird?
I am filming the bird. Yeah, I think so, but I can't tell them apart.
Fucking humongous. What is that?
I don't know, maybe he's gay. And now off he goes again. Giro di Lake Frozen. It's not really a lake even, it's a pond. Here he comes. Yeah, what can you say?
Huh?
It probably is harder than it looks.
I'm exhausted.
He's exhausted. Anything? No. Now you have to say something very loving to the camera crew. And doesn't hack it.
Puke soon.
No, some loving.
Bunny, I can't
You want to
see
keep the
anything.
phone? Okay, then I'll wait. Hey, Polak. Come on.
Yo.
Yeah, we have that on tape too. Bye.
Bye.